Good morning, everybody. It's Robin from Roaming with Rover, and we are back with our tea advent. So, and I forgot to mark where it was. Okay, so today we have Earl Grey chai, spiced black tea. I have never had an Earl Grey chai, so this is going to be interesting. And Earl Grey, not my very favorite, don't hate it, but let's see if I can find this on here. I usually have this all set up, ready to go, because there's a lot of words on here to find something. Let me see if it pops out at me real quick. Oh, I found it. Okay, there it is. I'll mark it real quick so I don't lose it. So the Earl Grey chai spiced black tea has in it black tea, cardamom, clove, black pepper, cinnamon, and bergamot. I bet it's that bergamot is what's in the Earl Grey that I don't care for. So we've got 85% black tea. Let's scooch over here. 4% cardamom, 3% cloves, 3% black pepper. Shouldn't have a problem with that today. 3% cinnamon, and 2% bergamot. I did not have any problem at all with the black pepper yesterday. Did not bother me at all. So, and I bet with only 3% black pepper, I won't have any problem with it today either. Okay. Let's get this open. Get it in the pot. Smells pretty good, even though I'm not against Earl Grey. It's just not a fave. Smells really good. Ooh, that is turning dark right away. But my water is very, very hot. Give it a little up and down seep action. Yeah, that is getting dark right away. Oh, that smells really good. Oh, I forgot to turn my lights on again. Dang it. Let me do that real quick. It's got a little... I know, that's not the best view. There we go. But we gotta have our Christmas lights on. Okay, that's better. Gotta have our Christmas lights on. I love my little tree lights back there. I like the tree, and after the first day or so, Kitten hasn't messed with it one bit. We had to squirt her once or twice with the water, and then she has completely left it alone. And now, as I've gotten my Christmas cards and started hanging those up there too, it's worked out really, really well. This might be how we do our Christmas trees in the future. I really, really like this. And hanging up our handmade ornaments that we have received. I don't know. This might be a thing. But I really do like them. So things are going well. We're staying busy like everybody else. I still have not got all my Christmas cards mailed out. And even though I know they will get to people probably after Christmas, I probably will still continue to mail. I've been just getting out a couple every day, and I'll probably continue to do that. I don't mind getting greetings after the fact in the mail, and I think most people will appreciate getting the sentiment afterwards. I don't know. What do you guys think about that? If you receive something, it's still the thought. You still know people are thinking of you, and most people realize that everybody is busy. Everybody has a lot going on. I know I don't mind it when I receive something. Even after Christmas, it wouldn't bother me. It's just the thought, it's the idea that someone is thinking of me, thinking enough of me to take the time to write out a card, find my address, hunt down a stamp and put it on there. It's so nice to receive an actual card in the mail, which these days, it just doesn't happen that much anymore. I can remember, in fact, not that long ago, and when I say not that long ago, I'm talking between 5 and 10 years, which, you know, in the whole realm of thing is not that long ago. I would send out 300 Christmas cards every year, 300 Christmas cards. And I had a special book, a special address book, and I kept track of everybody's addresses and when people moved, and I kept track of the cards that I received and the cards that I sent, and yeah, easily 300 cards every year. Of course, that included the cards that I gave out at the office, and you know that there's a lot of people. I worked in a pretty big office, and so 50 or 60 of those were just the office people. But, you know, you gave a card to everybody in your neighborhood and everybody at that your parents' friends, and it was just, and I had a whole wall full of Christmas cards. And, you know, so right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 8. I have 8 up here on the wall now. And I was a little surprised. I actually expected to get more than that. But it's a little sad. It's a little sad. I really, really enjoy getting cards, and I enjoy sending them. So, you know, and I have not sent as many as I normally do. So you can't expect to get them if you don't send them. So my own fault, I guess. But what do you guys think about the giving and receiving of Christmas cards? Is it a dying out thing? Is it just one of those things that nobody's got time for anymore? I truly do. I will right now, I can't think of a time where I will not send out Christmas cards. How many did I buy this year? I bought 4 boxes. I bought 4 boxes of cards intending to send them out. So I bought 100. I bought 100 cards, and I've sent out about half of them. So I still have a few to go. And I keep saying, I've got to get those cards finished. I got to get those cards finished. I won't get them all done, but let's try this tea. That really smells good. I think it's still going to be hot. That does taste good. I like that. You can taste the Earl Grey tea part of it. But the chai spice part of it's quite prevalent as well. It's good. I do like this one. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. I am going to enjoy this one today. I hope you guys will take a few moments and have a little cup of tea or coffee or whatever it is that you enjoy. Take a few moments for yourself and sit down and read the Christmas card you've received in the mail. Thank you so much for joining me today for this few minutes of a break in your day. We'll see you later.